Hans laser medical needle tube laser drilling equipment. This equipment is designed for microhole processing of medical needle tubes. Featuring automatic loading and unloading system as well as a coaxial camera positioning system. It also incorporates an AOI, automated optical inspection, system, which not only enables post-drilling position inspection to ensure drilling quality but also detects if there are any products left in the fixture, and automatically collecting NG, non-good, materials. The equipment can be equipped with either UV picosecond laser or UV nanosecond laser. When processing medical tubes made of 0.6 mm PTFE, Teflon, it achieves a hole diameter of 175 microns with a tolerance less than 25 microns. Overall sample display. Front view effect demonstration. Drilling holes at the needle tip.